Hi everyone. So this is second part. As you know, our previous lesson kind of got some issues because I wasn't sure how to do it. So I had practice after I recorded the video. So now I know better how to do it. So once again, I still have my notepad with actual of my sketches for this NFT case. So this is kind of how does it look now. I actually kind of did, I uploaded most of the things. So this is how much it looks like. So you can change the price because like some collections I did like 0.05 NFT, some a little bit higher. I will add all of that information in description below so that you would have it. Um, so yeah, so this is how it looks now. And I want to show you more. So let me just kind of scoop myself right here. So I'm already over my OpenSea. I believe that because I'm kind of recording it, and because I record, it takes, as you see, kind of long process because of the skipping situation. So this is my actual profile. When you click on my name, so I kind of did educational videos. You can still change. I don't know why it's automatically giving me to Ethereum. Even I put Polygon or Solana, it just kind of automatically changes. Um, so I was trying to do like drop collection, but believe like when, if you remember when I was like in our previous video lesson, um, they asked me to have money in my account and I couldn't verify it with blockchain from there because I didn't have any money in my Phantom account. So yeah, I did this way. So I couldn't make like drop, but still that's fine. So let's kind of continue. So with all of this, probably because of, when you record, it takes more time. So let's find Ace of Cryptocurrencies. It's the last one. I can't upload it all others. I mean, I still have to upload different cards, but so Ace of Cryptocurrency. So okay. So we have the meaning. So still, I can write Ace of Cryptocurrency, aka Ace of Cups, and then meaning. So it might take some time actually to do. Um, you know, it's not like quick when you have to write description. Pure intentions, love, new beginnings, um, growing potential. So we put select collection, so it's cryptocurrency, and then we go down. So the floor price will change because I will put this collection a little bit higher with the price. So yeah, and like taxi, like you have to click pretty much everywhere. So yeah, let's click on it. And now we will have to approve, I believe so, because we're adding to blockchain, so we do kind of already mint situation. So already we are minting into our blockchain. So, okay. So now we're gonna list for the sale. So we're gonna put a little bit higher price. So last time I could do fixed price and timed auction. So let's do time auction, sell to highest bidder, and we're gonna put 0.3 for this one. 1 month, so they showed me listing price, creator earnings percentage. I don't know why it doesn't give me royalties yet. Service fee, and this is potential amount, what can I earn? So complete listing. So when they're gonna do all of this, you have to prove your listing. So I guess this is the part where it gets disconnected. So you cannot really pretty much see all the screen. So this is what been happening like last time. I need to find the password. Okay, found it. So yeah, this is like situation what it goes through. Like it's just, it can disconnect in some ways, but honestly, like it shouldn't, you know. And yeah, I just don't know really, like I'm not sure if it kind of add up or no. It just kind of gives this struggle because, you know, of like protection, because you go from one to other. So it does kind of these things, and because it's uploading so slowly. But I mean, the meaning of it, you know, when I was trying like to do without recording on my kind of on this screen situation, like everything is fine, but like you see, internet is so slow now. So I mean, the process of it, it's really very easy. Like you have to just use Chrome for it, as mentioned in our previous videos. And it's kind of changes, like it switches, you know. I wanted to stay in Polygon, but it's kind of changes. And just in general, I mean, it's kind of very slow. So I guess you kind of understood the thing that it's kind of real goes really kind of quickly. It doesn't take that long time to do all of this, but for some reason, I just don't know why it's kind of slow updating. Like it takes time. I mean, it takes really long time because it kind of disconnects and then it starts to connect. So I guess when you record on the screen, I don't know, maybe because of security reason. I mean, it can be different cases of scenario, you know. So yeah, but the main thing is that it's not that hard to upload your collection. I mean, if you do like amateur level, it's really easy. If you do professional level, of course, you need to have your you need to have your you need to have your like blockchain address. So you need to have money in one of those wallets. You need to have smart contract. So it actually does take time, but this is what I wanted to show you. How much does it look like? You can see the links below on this project. Hopefully I will upload everything by today and tomorrow morning. And yeah, well, I really hope that you kind of enjoyed this course. I know it takes kind of slow time to upload everything, just kind of have all the situation ready. But I think like, yeah, we did a good job. You know, you can pat on your shoulder. You did a good job. And I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.